In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your TikTok account to Whop seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to streamline your social media presence or just get the most out of these platforms, integrating TikTok with Whop can enhance your online experience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Whop account. If you're not already familiar, Whop is a robust platform that offers a range of tools for managing your digital activities, and logging in gives you access to all its features. To do this, navigate to the Whop website and enter your account credentials on the login page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which is your command center for all things Whop. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the account settings. On your dashboard, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed menu where you can manage various aspects of your Whop account. You'll see a section labeled Integrations. Click on this option to begin the process of connecting other platforms with Whop. Now it's time to focus on TikTok. In the list of available integrations, scroll until you find TikTok. Once you spot it, click Connect to initiate the connection process. This step is quick but crucial, as it sets the stage for linking your TikTok account to Whop securely. You'll now need to log into TikTok. A new window or tab will appear, prompting you to enter your TikTok credentials. Enter your username and password to allow Whop to access your TikTok data. This access is necessary so that Whop can effectively integrate and synchronize with your TikTok account. After you've logged into TikTok comes the verification process. You'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. These might include confirming your email address, phone number, or TikTok handle. This step ensures that the integration is secure and that you have authorized it. It's all about safeguarding your information while establishing a solid link between the two platforms. Once you've successfully verified your account, you're nearly finished. You should now see a verified badge on your Whop dashboard next to your TikTok account name. This badge signifies that your integration has been successful and that both accounts are now linked. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to connect your TikTok account with Whop, ensuring you can manage your social media presence effectively from one central hub. Remember, integrating platforms can offer you new possibilities for engagement and convenience, making your digital life that much simpler. Thank you for following along, and happy integrating.